Brian, you're a little bit upset.
Yeah, I am. All right, well today I am doing some core aeration. I don't know if I'm gonna get the whole front yard, but I definitely got my health strip because my youngest son's sleeping. That's all the time I may have. I'm gonna do some core aeration. I want to get that done this before the temperatures reach 55 a few days in a row, because that's when I plan on putting down my prodiamine pre-emergent. I wasn't too happy with last year. I used dithiopure and it did all right, but I ended up hand pulling a ton of crabgrass. And I would top dress with some sand today, but A, I don't have the time, and B, it's a little too wet to be doing that right now. Oh yeah, I'm also rolling again today. This is the Yard Butler manual core aerator. I picked it up off of Amazon, I don't know, just about a year ago. Maybe I got it 2 years ago, but I've been using it in a few seasons, and I like it a lot. This whole area is my front yard. It's Kentucky bluegrass mainly. As you can see, it's mowed pretty short, about a ½ inch before I let it go dormant. Anyway, it took me about I don't know, about an hour to do 1,000 square feet. No, that's not including all the takes and retakes and interruptions I got while I was doing this. But if you're able to do it just straight doing this, and you ever physically able to do this, it didn't take about an hour. Maybe a little bit longer if you don't have quite the endurance I do. Not to say that I have a lot, but let's take it what it is. Yeah, so I picked it up of Amazon for about 25 bucks. I would definitely recommend it. If I had to rate it, I don't know, I'd give it like 5 out of 5 stars. I mean, it is what it is. It takes a lot of effort. It's cheap, I mean, price-wise, and it's probably going to last forever. So, yeah, if you want, go pick one up. All right, well, I'm done coring the health strip. I'm gonna go ahead and rake these up. It's too wet to top dress with anything right now, so I'm just gonna have to hold on that till later. Oh well, I don't want these laying in the lawn. I just don't like it. I don't care. I'm just gonna put them back up. I mean, pick them up, and then I'm not looking forward to the larger area of the lawn which I'm gonna have to core by hand. But let's get on with it before the baby wakes up. Done cleaning all this up here. So what I got planned on doing is, I know I'm not supposed to do it, but a spring renovation right here with my neighbor's permission. Gonna redo this whole area right here with my leftover Bewitched and Mazama. And I know you're not supposed to do a spring renovation because you're high chances of you're not gonna succeed, but I don't really care because, as you can see, it looks like crap right now, and it's all right. Well, I am officially done aerating. It only took, I don't know, 2 hours, 3 hours, and I think I'm starting to get some blisters on my hands. That's okay. It's well worth it. It was a good workout. I didn't have to pay 40, 50 bucks. And got exactly the way I wanted it to. And it's probably a little bit deeper than what they would have done. Also rolled it out. So it's ready for fertilizer here in the next week or so. Or I don't know, depending on the temperature. And some prodiamine. But all right, thanks for watching. See ya.